Macrotyloma uniflorum. Macrotyloma uniflorum horse gram, kulthi bean hurali. Madras gram is a legume native to tropical southern Asia, commonly grown for horse feed and occasionally for human consumption, and in Ayurvedic cuisine. Horse gram is grown in Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, and West Bengal in India, as well as in Malaysia, Sri Lanka, the West Indies, and elsewhere. It is consumed as a whole seed, as sprouts, or as wholemeal in India, popular in many parts of India. Medical uses of these legumes have been discussed. Description: Macrotyloma uniflorum is a perennial climbing plant with a rhizome growing to a height of about 60 cm 24 in. The stem sprouts from the rhizome each year. It is clad in varying amounts of whitish hairs and bears alternate. The leaflets are obovate or elliptical, and up to 7 cm 2.8 in long. The flowers are borne in twos or threes in the leaf axils, and are typical of the bean family with banner, wings, and keel. They are cream, yellowish or green, often with a purple blotch inside. These are followed by linear oblong, appurving pods up to 8 cm 3.1 in long, containing up to 10 reddish-brown, speckled or black seeds. Distribution: Horse gram is native to tropical southern Asia and has been found in archaeological sites in India starting from 2500 BC. It was probably first domesticated in India and is now grown as a legume from India to Myanmar. It is also grown for fodder and as a green manure crop in tropical countries in southeastern Asia and in northern Australia. Horse gram thrives where the temperature is in the range 20 to 30 deg C 68 to 86 deg F but is killed by frost. It is a drought-tolerant crop and is mostly grown in areas with under 900 mm 35 in of precipitation and even as little as 380 mm 15 in. In wetter areas, it is usually sown at the end of the wet season to grow and crop in the dry season. Nutrition: Horse gram and mothbean are legumes of the tropics and subtropics, grown mostly under dry land agriculture. The chemical composition is comparable with more commonly cultivated legumes. Like other legumes, these are deficient in methionine and tryptophan, though horse gram is an excellent source of iron and molybdenum. Comparatively, horse gram seeds have higher trypsin inhibitor and hemagglutinin activities and natural phenols than most bean seeds. Natural phenols are mostly phenolic acids, namely 34-dihydroxybenzoic, 4-hydroxybenzoic, vanillic, caffeic p-calmaric, ferulic, syringic, and sinapic acids. Though both require prolonged cooking, a soak solution 1.5% NaCl HCl3 plus 0.5% NaCl3 plus 0.75% citric acid has been shown to reduce cooking time and improve protein quality. Mothbean is mostly consumed as dehal or sprouts. Horse gram seed contains carbohydrate 57.2% W/W, protein 22% W/W, dietary fiber 5.3% W/W, fat 0.50% W/W, calcium 287 mg, phosphorus 311 mg. Its nutritional content is partly dependent on soil conditions and the weather. Its less appealing taste has led it to be not commonly eaten. Indian regional specifics: In India, it is also known as ulavallu, gahat mathura, kulath, or kulthi. It is used to make popular dishes like kilatin saru, kilatin uppari, kilatin gassy coconut curry preparation, and an idli-like preparation, but not fermented, called kilatin sanan. In Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, horse gram is prescribed for jaundice or as a diuretic and as part of a weight loss diet. It is considered helpful for iron deficiencies. Ulavacharu, horse gram soup, is a popular dish in Andhra Pradesh It is served with cooked rice in some of the Telugu-speaking people's weddings and ceremonies. In Darjeeling and Sikkim, horse gram called gehat in Nepali is considered a medicinal food. It is given to children suffering from mumps. Water in which gehat is soaked is taken by people suffering from kidney stones in the belief that this dissolves the crystals. Gehat's use is specially reserved for the cold winters when its heat-producing properties are most useful. In Kerala, horse gram, called mutir muthira in Malayalam, which almost sounds like kutir kathira, Malayalam word for horse, is used in special kinds of dishes. In Tamil Nadu, horse gram called kalu kalu in northern districts and kanam kanam in southern districts is commonly used in Tamil dishes, including kalu chutney, kalu poriyal, kalu avial, kalu sambar, and kalu rasam. In Maharashtra and Goa, horse gram called hulga hilage/hilaga in Marathi and kulath in Konkani is often used to make amati, kulathusal, pithla, and shengul/shivanti. In Karnataka cuisine, hurali hurali is a main ingredient. Hurali is also used in preparations such as usali, chutney, basaru, and apsaru or upansaru, particularly in the old Mysore region's Mandya and Chamarajnagara districts. In South Kannada region of Karnataka, in Tulu, it is also called kudu kudu. In Odisha it is known by the name kolth kalatha. Gehat or kulath is a major ingredient in the food of Pahari region of northern India. In Himachal Pradesh, kulath is used to make khichdi. In Uttarakhand, it is cooked in a round iron sauté pan kadhai to prepare ras, a favorite of most Kumaunis. In Garhwal region, another more elaborate dish is fanu, which is made in a kadhai with roughly ground gehat previously soaked overnight, boiled over several hours. Towards the end, some finely chopped greens, palak or spinach, rye, tender radish leaves, or dania coriander leaves if nothing else is available are added to complete the dish. Served with boiled rice, jehangora, a millet-like grain used as a staple by poorer Garhwalis only a decade ago and now a prized health food in Myanmar, Burma, horse gram is known as pea bazet papip. It is commonly used in making pani ji, a fermented bean paste used in traditional Burmese cuisine. Medicinal uses. Scientists from the Indian Institute of Chemical Technology have found that unprocessed raw horse gram seeds not only possess antihyperglycemic properties, but also have qualities which reduce insulin resistance. The scientists made a comparative analysis between horse gram seeds and their sprouts and found that the seeds have greater beneficial effects on the health of hyperglycemic individuals. The majority of antioxidant properties are confined to the seed coat, and its removal would not do any good. Raw horse gram seed is rich in polyphenols, flavonoids, and proteins, major antioxidants present in fruits and other food materials. The seed has the ability to reduce postprandial hyperglycemia by slowing down carbohydrate digestion and reducing insulin resistance by inhibiting protein tyrosine phosphatase 1 beta enzyme.